And I think what's so important here to stress to all of you and to your young people is there's a huge mistake about curiosity books, is the idea that there is this answer in the sky. There is this base of truths. And all a student needs to do is get those truths, those facts, and record them in this passionless and impersonal fashion, and that is some sort of objectivity. No, each of us pursues our curiosity in different ways. We are equally obliged to show where we got our information. I love, as Heather talked about, her notes and footnotes. We have to tell how we came to our conclusions. We can't hide anything. We can't make things up. But curiosity is personal. We each think differently. We write differently. We explore differently. We add things together differently. And we engage your young people in different ways. And I think that's really something important, to open up this field of curiosity to everyone, and each of us to pursue with our own interests and our own modes of exploration and attack. Neither is right or wrong. They're simply personal and different, as long as we play by the rules.